Hello and welcome to Puzzle Master. This is the Puzzle Guy, and in this video I will show you how to solve 4-knot puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Oscar van Deventer. It has difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Master's difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to take it apart and to assemble it again. This puzzle was printed on a 3D printer using a material called 3D printed wood. It is actually transparent PLA with a lot of very fine mahogany wood grain mixed into it. This makes the puzzle smell a little like scorched wood. Oscar chose this material because of its rough rope-like looks. This puzzle has 5 parts, and the object, as I told you, is to take it apart, which is very easy to do, and then to assemble it back to create this shape that looks like a continuous loop with 4 crossings. And if you take a closer look at each part, you will see that each part has 2 magnets, one on each side, and also there are on one side there are dents, 5 dents. On the other side there are 5 like small sticking out parts that helps to connect parts together. For example, if I take 2 parts and try to put them together, there's going to be 5 different possibilities how to do it, since of 5 dents and 5 sticking out parts. You can do it like this, or like this, or this. So it's like 5 ways how you can connect parts together. And if you try to connect them on other sides, it's going to be 5 more possibilities. So it may take quite some time to figure out the way how to assemble the whole puzzle. So there was the 4-knot puzzle. If you like it and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca, and if you want to see the solution of this puzzle, keep watching the video. And now I will show you how to solve the 4-knot puzzle. First of all, I have to take it apart. That's not difficult to do. And now let's take a closer look at all parts. I don't remember the exact solution, which part you have to put where, but when I was solving this puzzle, I figured out that there is a way how to do it a little bit easier. So as you can see, there are 5 parts. 3 of them, they have like a C shape, and 2 of them, they have a little bit different shape. So we will grab 2 of these 3 parts. These 2 very similar, but the one in the right hand has a little curve on this side, so we will put them aside. And we will try to put together these 3 parts, and as soon as I will be able to do it, I will be able to solve the whole puzzle. So probably let's look like a beginning of the continuous loop, and if I try to put some other parts here, yeah, that's definitely not going to be this one, but this looks pretty good. Yeah, that's almost done, only 2 parts left. So grab these 2 parts, connect them together like this, so it's create one of the loops, then add another part right here that's gonna create second loop. And now we have only 2 parts left, and it's not gonna be difficult to figure out how to put it in such a way that we can create one more loop. And that's it, puzzle is gonna be solved. Yep, as you can see, I've been able to assemble the 4-knot again. So that was the solution of this puzzle. Really interesting puzzle, very good looking puzzle, and also unlike many other puzzles you solved before, this one also smells very good. If you like 4-knot puzzle and you want to buy it, or you want to try some other great puzzles designed by Oscar van Deventer, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time.